How to monetize your Instagram account. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can monetize your Instagram account and make earnings with it. All you just have to do is to stick from the beginning of this video down to the end, and all I ask right now is for you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so subsequent videos like this can be notified to you by YouTube. So what I'll be doing right now is to take you over to my screen, and I'm going to be showing you what you need to do. Now on your Instagram account, if you have any accounts that you have, you must first of all switch this account to a professional account. Now I'll be showing you how you can do this and how you can start up to monetize your Instagram account. So let's dive in. Now I'll be showing you this on my Instagram account. First of all, what you just have to do, like I said earlier, you need to switch your account to a professional mode. Now you can actually see that my account is on professional mode. Now to check if your account is on professional mode, just come over this hamburger icon right here. Now you just have to go down to where you find the creators tools. Okay, now when you click on that, just come down to where you see switch account type. Now when you click on switch account type, you can actually see that we have the switch to personal account and switch to business account. Now you must have your account to be switched to personal account, or better still, you can call it a content account. Now when you switch that, this is how you're going to be seeing this. You're going to be seeing the professional dashboard just like the way you're seeing this right now. So right now, the next thing you want to do is to check your monetization status. Now to check that, just come back to this hamburger icon right here. Then you're going to come down to where it says creators tools and control. Now when you click on that, you're going to come down to where it says monetization status. Now when you click on that, this is what you're going to be seeing before you proceed in monetizing your Instagram account. Now it says you are able to monetize. You are currently following all policies and guidelines related to your monetization tools. Now you can actually see that you can actually monetize your branded content. Now subsequent times, some monetization tools will be added right on this interface. Okay, now after checking that, when you come right here, you're going to be seeing the first monetization you can actually get, which is the gift. Now just go ahead to click on that, and once you click on that, you can actually see eligible. Now you can actually see allow gift on reels. Make sure you mark this, like you tick this on, just like the way you're seeing this on my account. Now the next thing you want to do is to come down and click on start earning from gift. Now when you click on that, you can actually see where it says let's start with the basics. This account info will be used to set up your profile. Make sure that your first name and your surname are written as they appeared on your tax document. Okay, so there are some documents you'll be needing in this monetization, which will be mentioned also during this process. Now your legal first name is actually your first name, so we are going to put our legal first name right here. So let this name tallies with your bank account, and also let this name tallies with your document. Now they said your legal surname, so this is actually my surname right here. So this legal first name is actually just your first name, no additional name. Now where it says your legal surname, just impute your surname. Now your date of birth should be added and your country will be added. Now I'm going to do this and I'm going to proceed. So right now I've actually imputed all these details correctly: date of birth, my country, my surname, and my first name. The next thing you want to do is to click on next. So when you click on next, you're going to be brought to the next page of the setup. This is actually the payment setup. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is to select your country and business type. I'm going to choose individual sole proprietor. You can actually go for anyone that actually interests you. So I'm going for this. So I'm going to click on next. So it's going to take me over to the next interface. So this is just the process you need to follow. Now you can actually see they said enter your info, tell us about yourself. This info will be used to set up your profile and to report your tax. Now you can actually see that the legal first name is here, my legal surname is here. If you have a legal middle name, if applicable, okay, you can actually go ahead to add your middle name right here. So your primary address also. So what I'm going to do right now is to add my middle name right here. I'm going to add my middle name right here. Okay, So right now I've added my middle name and make sure it's spelled correctly. So I have added my legal name, and right now my town, my postcode, my phone number, my email. So I'm just going to add in my primary address right here. The next thing you want to do is to add your primary address, which I just added right now. So the next thing is to add your town or city. So I'm just going to put in Lagos, Lagos Surulere. Okay, so I'm just going to put it like this, Lagos Surulere. So the next thing I want to do is to put in country or region. So let me see what we have here. Okay, so we are going for Lagos State. So we are going for Lagos State. So I can just come here and okay, town or city. So let's just leave this like this. Let's just leave this like this. So the postal code should be this. So I'm going to input my postal code right here. So I'm going to input my mobile number. And input my email address also. So this tax identification number, you can actually get it online. Yes, you can actually get it online. There's a way you can actually apply for it and you're going to get it. If you really want me to make a video about this, I'm going to make a video if I get your comment on this video. Okay, so if I get enough comments on this video, I'm going to make a video about how you can get your tax identification number. So I'm just going to add mine right here and I'm going to continue this process. And so right now I've inputted all the details required. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you check this box that says, by ticking this box, I certify that the tax identification numbers entered in this flow is true and correct. So you just have to make sure you input a tax identification number. So what I'm going to do is to click on next. So I'm going to be brought to the next page of this process. And so right now they ask, choose how you would like to get paid. Now this is the method you would want to get paid directly into your account. You can actually get paid by manually entering your bank details or linking your PayPal account. If you actually have a PayPal account, you can go ahead to link it with this platform, and that is fine by you. Where you have to add your bank details, and make sure your bank details right here tallies with your main bank account. What I mean is that your name must match your bank account on your account. So this must be very taken care of. It must match the same name that appears on your account. So right now what they ask right here is the SWIFT code that is of your bank account. So what you just have to do is to add your SWIFT code right here, then come down to add your bank account number. I've inputted all the required details. Now the next thing you want to do is to come right here where it says link payment method. You can go ahead to add this later, but right now I'm just going to click on link payment method since I have added all the required details right on my account. So right now we just have to wait for this to be linked to our account. Okay, so you can actually see that Instagram tax is requesting access to UC Jackson. If you select allow, tax 2024 will be able to view profile and access media required. Okay, so what you just have to do is to view profile and access media. Now all you just have to do is to click on allow. Now you're going to be brought to this interface. Please fill out your details correctly on this particular interface. Now it says, are you a US citizen or permanent resident? Just click on no. I am not a resident. So are you acting as an intermediary agent? No. So once you've done this, just click on next. Now you just have to fill in your details correctly. Now it says select your country of citizen. Okay, so you just have to select your country right here. So I'm actually from Nigeria, so I've actually picked Nigeria. Now just come down to select I have a non-US thing, then come down and click on next. Now right here you can continue using your main address as the mailing list, your mailing address. You can also come right here and put an optional address, then come down right here and click on next. Okay, so right here you can actually see the details I have inputted while making this video. So I just come down and click on next. It says tax information, add your mailing address. So actually this is my mailing address, so the next thing I want to do is to click on next. Now it says provide additional details relating to your service, location of where service are or will be physically performed. So right now you can actually see that 100% of service will be physically performed inside the United States. And so right now, before you finish this setup, you'll be asked to provide additional details. Just go ahead to click on zero of services. So just click on next. Now you'll be brought to this page where you need to agree to the terms and policy. So what you just need to do is to come down to where it says I certify I have capacity to sign for the person identified on the line of this form. So just go ahead to input your name. And so right now I just finished typing my full name just as a signature. The next thing you want to do is to come down and click on next. Okay, so once you click on next, it's going to take you over to the last page. So before you finalize with this, it's going to make a review. It's going to bring out a review of what you just filled so far. So what you just have to do is to submit the form, or you can go ahead to make changes. Just go ahead to read all this, or you can go ahead to make changes on your account. Okay, you can see right now you have successfully submitted your information and your information has been verified. Okay, so these are the details I inserted right here, and actually this is what I have gotten. And so this is the final stage of you monetizing your Instagram account. Just come down and click on done. So you can actually see that your Instagram account is fully monetized. So right now you can actually see that this account you are seeing, this Instagram account, we start receiving payments from Instagram. Okay, so if you actually want me to tutor you or lecture you more on how you can monetize other social media platforms, just go down and comment the word monetization, and I'll be glad to send you some links so you can join my private class and start using your social media account to make some earnings for yourself every single day. So you can see how fast monetizing your Instagram account is. So you just have to do what you just saw on this video and you are good to go. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you in my next video and keep winning.